Can you see the heart?
Oh, where?
Right here.
Oh my goodness, she does have a heart between her eyes. Hi. Oh.
Be careful what you wish for.
Rosie, Rosie, Rosie. Come here, Rosie. Yeah, let's go for a walk, Rosie. Come on. Hi, Rosie. Oh, hi, girly. Hi. Oh, hi, Rosie. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Oh my goodness. Hi. Are you ready for a walk? You ready for a walk? Yeah. Okay, let's go for a walk. Okay, hold on. Let me get your leash, okay? Let me get your leash. Let me get your leash. Oh, I can't wait to take you to the park. Hi. Okay, let me set the camera down. Get your leash. Oh, good shake, good shake. Is that your house across the street? Is that your house? Huh? Okay. All right, let me, okay, let me.
Ginger, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What's up? Are you trying to get in that bag of food? Oh my goodness. Look at the hole. Oh my. Oh. Oh, Ginger.
You get him, Rosie. Get him. You show him who's boss.
I was just driving by on this country road. Came upon this alpaca farm. Look at these guys. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God.
She goes for the slide. Oh, she goes up to today.
Oh, you little spaz. You little spaz, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's nobody out here. Yeah, my little baby. So cute. Yeah, you don't want me to stop, huh? Shall we continue our walk? Or are you too lazy? You slobber chops. Slobber, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah? I'm gonna keep petting you. Look at that tongue, huh? Oh, won't let me stop, huh? Okay. I'll get you. I got you. Yes. Cutie pie. My little cutie pie. Let's continue our walk. Come on. Let's continue our walk. Hey, over here. Oh, yes. I know. Okay, let's go. Should we go? Let's go.
There's some deer in our backyard. Big windstorm last night blew all the chairs over. Look at her baby. Just eating grass. Baby's coming around. Go hang out with mommy. Hi guys. You guys hungry? Let's get you some food.
You taking a break now? Are you gassed out? Are you gassed out? Huh? Oh, yeah. That's just a car engine. Okay. What's going on? What's going on? Woo! Shake that. Shake that thing. Okay. All right, let's go for another round. That tongue wagging. You got a rough life, kid. Yeah. Uh-uh. Come on, Rosie. Come on.